one of the major announcements of the show, if not the biggest announcement at the Consumer Electronics Show this year, is the introduction of Lego Smart Play. Now, as a fan of Lego myself, this is a game changer. And it all starts with the smart brick, and such a remarkable amount of technology packed into this tiny brick. You've got an accelerometer, an ambient light sensor, Bluetooth, a battery, and this brings the sets to life. And appropriately, and this is a great, I'm really glad about this decision, Lego decided to start with Lego Star Wars sets to really showcase the technology. And you'll see in our demo where the smart brick actually brings all these sets to life with the minifigures, the tiles, which are expected to go on sale in March. Can you sort of take us through what's involved and the possibilities of this for play?
Yeah, I sure can. So first of all, when you start up the brick,
There he is.
you get that confirmation. We put it onto the tag. You can see the red tag there. This is the X-Wing tag. So then the smart brick knows that this is an X-Wing. We put that on there, and you can hear it's already taking on the sound characteristics of an X-Wing. You can hear the engines running. You heard R2-D2, who's here in the droid seat, and you hear Luke Skywalker every now and again. He'll say something. They're talking back and forth, and then you also have this firing button here. If I push this red button, it's going to slide the brick forward, and this light sensor, the part that's flashing, is going to engage with this red panel, and we're going to get the firing noise.
See, previously I'd made those sounds myself, but it's going to make it for me.
Yeah, and it's not going to stop you from making those sounds. I find when I'm playing with this, I'm still making the sounds. But what it allows us to do now is to bring in another brick and another ship, and we can have some interactivity.
I can see one
and
over here, actually.
I can register those hits.
Yes.
So if I put this brick here in the TIE Fighter, you take the X-Wing, I'll be the dark side.
Okay.
All right, now my TIE Fighter is active. Oh, you've already hit me.
Sorry, you weren't looking.
And if I fire on you, you can see that I'm hitting.
Oh, wow. So when you hit me, it goes red.
Exactly. And
wow.
the faster we
So it's
move,
not just the individual ships that have, like, I can have the effects and sounds on my own.
That's right.
Bring in another ship or some other smart bricks.
Yeah, and now you get this great social play.
Wow.
Yeah.
What a great application here with the throne room set.
Yeah.
You got to hear the hum of the lightsaber. I'm thinking, please. And that's exactly what you do. So where will I put this?
So there's a lightsaber tag here. And actually, it's kind of fun to take the minifigure off first and put the brick on there. We'll get that lightsaber sound. Pilot this lightsaber around.
Oh, it's humming.
Yeah. And if you were to strike.
Oh, wow. Oh, so I noticed there's the little handles here, so we can have a little battle.
That's right, we can have a battle.
Oh, my God.
If we bring Luke Skywalker in. Now, did you hear him fire up his lightsaber? And I'll be Darth Vader. So I'll bring this one in. And now we can have a little battle.
Oh.
Oh.
I can't wipe the smile off my face. This is amazing. I'm a massive Lego fan. I've got a car that's sitting on my shelf. Can I take the smart brick from this set and bring it to the other set?
If you have a tile that or a tag that sort of makes car noises. So this is a transport.
Okay.
And let's say, for example, we take the brick and place it on the transport. Now this is Lego Star Wars, so it's going to sound like a Lego Star Wars transport.
Understand.
But if I wanted to rebuild this into a car, I probably could do that.
The smile off my face. This is incredible. Really appreciate your time, Jake. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.